How to book a flight using trip.com. In this video, I will show you how can you easily book a flight for yourself from trip.com. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Trip application on your device. Once you do, if you have not logged in with your account details, firstly log in. After that, in the home page of the application, you will see at the top flight option. Simply click on it. Once you do, in the next page, you need to provide the details of your flight which you want. After you are done providing the detail, simply click on search option. After that, the application will now provide you the list of possibilities according to their flight details which might be suitable for you. Simply scroll below and look for the one which is suitable for you and click on the book option beside the flight. After you are done confirming the flight, click on the confirm option. So that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to book a flight on trip.com. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.